At Solid State Construction, we want to help our customers feel informed and to understand the 5 factors that may impact your siding installation. 1. Which siding company you hire. Finding a highly trained, technically skilled, and knowledgeable contractor is a must. Read online reviews, ask for references, and ensure they're licensed, certified, and insured. 2. Quality of products and materials. Look for reliability, durability, and longevity in quality siding products. It's also important to know how those products perform in your local climate. 3. Local climate. Your local weather will dictate the performance of products as well as your installation. Finding a company that works year-round is helpful, as we don't always know when your old siding will fail us. 4. Condition of your existing siding and underlying issues. Needed underlying repairs are almost always a thing, but some are bigger issues than others and take more time to fix. 5. Experience of installation team. Great installers not only know the technical specs but have actual hands-on experience. Plus, passionate installers want to learn as much as they can about their craft. Call Sudbury MA's leading siding company. Call Solid State Construction today at 508-841-3928 for a free siding consultation.